Yeah, baby. Oh my god. It's not a slot. Oh yes, that's definitely a slot right there. Next cast, I'm gonna put it right in front of him and see if he goes for it. Alright, that's his. Oh, he got it! Holy cow! You've got to be kidding me! The sheepshead went after this lure. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I didn't think a sheepshead was gonna go after it. Holy cow! Oh, he got off! Oh my gosh! Oh, heartbreak! I didn't think the sheepshead was literally gonna go after this thing. Look at this. Tell me if that mouth of theirs is not strong. The guy like chomped down these hooks. Thank goodness it's a wire shank one because I can bend it back out. Plus I got the one that I took off from the front to put back on it. But that was amazing. Oh, I'm loving these sunglasses. I'm loving the day. Being able to identify from that far away, see straight under the water that it was a sheepshead, and to sight cast a sheepshead. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. First topwater red. Oh my gosh. That was violent. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yeah. That is a beautiful red. Topwater, baby. Another slot. Oh, yeah. That is my first topwater red. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a spectacular day this is. Okay, buddy. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Chill now. Chill, 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 dude. Chill. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, wow. The hook is still in his mouth. He broke the front hook. Completely broke it off. Look at that. Pulled it straight out of the body. Well, let's get that hook out and then we'll release you. Okay, here we go. Remove the hook. He will probably make the slot. Let's check it out. Get him in the water while we get the hog trough ready. Let him breathe for a second. Let's get a good look at this guy. Just barely made it. Oh my gosh. These guys, have they got some strength on them? Yes. Go on now, get you some air. Hold on, fella. There he goes. That guy destroyed my topwater lure though. He pulled the middle hook straight out of the body, so I got one hook left on it. Don't know how effective that's gonna be with only the one hook, but who cares, because we got us a nice topwater red. First one ever. Let's continue throwing this. Hopefully that back hook will be able to get the job done. Only one hook. The heck? Missed a spider. Ain't no hitchhikers on this boat. Oh God! Oh my goodness! Holy smokes, that is a big one. Oh my gosh! Holy smokes! Please stay on the line. Oh, that is a big one, guys. That's the upper slot right there, for sure. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna horse him in. Holy smokies. Oh gosh. Oh, please, baby. Please just stay on. Only one hook on that. Oh gosh. Only got the one hook. baby. Oh, that is a beautiful redfish. All right. Got the net ready. This is an upper slot for sure. Oh my gosh. Come here, bruh. Come on. Oh God, don't do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. All right, come here. Come here, 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 come here. Yes! Oh my gosh. Woo. Okay. Battery just died. Thank goodness I was able to capture the fight before it died though. Oh man, you talk about getting the blood going. That adrenaline. I had him barely hooked, corner of the mouth, one hook on the top water. I gotta buy a new Spook Junior because that other red just demolished it. This guy, holy smokies. There we go. All right, get in there and breathe. Oh my gosh, holy smokes. Hopefully he's gonna be in the upper slot. Let's find out. All right, come here, playa. Gosh darn. Talk about this guy pulling some drag. He's a good 23 and a half, but still, the fight that this fella gave. Look at that. Lovely redfish. I thought they were trout. They're all out here in the current busting up on everything. And I thought for sure that was trout that was doing it. But ended up being beautiful. Gorgeous strawberry looking color. Oh, wow. What a fight. All right, fella, let's get that water going through them gills. It's easy to underestimate how big these things are because of how strong they fight. This guy had me guessing he was like maybe a 28 incher. Get out of here, crazy. I'm getting my hopes up, and he just goes all slow and chill. One hook on this thing. All right, the line is good. Hook is still holding. We're gonna keep using it till it's completely destroyed. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Back out there into the current. Turn y'all around to watch it. Oh, and we got him. Yeah, we got him. Yes. Oh, baby. 3 slot reds. I guarantee this is a slot just by the way he's fighting. Guarantee. Oh, look at that wake. Oh, come on. Yes, sir. Come on, son. Get your booty over here. People want to see you. They want to see you. One hook. Again, we got to be careful. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, don't break my heart. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. If you want to go, just go. Here we go. Let's bring him in now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Red number 3 on the top water. What an amazing day. There we go. Get that out. Look at that beautiful slot red. There's no need to measure him. Man, a fish that beautiful. Oh my God, and on top water of all things. Get back in there, baby. Thank you for the fight. Oh, wow. He's drumming right now. You ready? You ready, bud? There he goes. All right, I'm gonna have to move a little further down because there's no more fish like like coming to the top and slurping the bait down right here. I can hear them still hitting the top over there in the distance. Let's get myself unstuck from the mud and move down like maybe 25 more yards. There we go. There we go. We got him. Oh yeah. He doesn't feel like a big one. There he is. There he is. Look at that red. I done lost count how many I've caught. Oh my gosh. No! Who's calling me at a time like this? I have no idea who would be calling me from Arizona. Leave a message, please. Got some important matters to deal with right now. Come here, baby. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Ooh, yeah. Oh, we got him in the corner of the mouth, finally. Nothing on the inside. Right there on the corner. Let's get the boga and let's get him off. Open up, baby. Get it right there. There we go. Easy. Gosh darn. Whoa, 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 whoa. Any red like this, he's probably the lower end of the slot, but any red like this on the ultralight, my gosh, I'm having a field day. Absolutely destroying the redfish. All right, bud, you ready to go? And he's off, just like that.
Oh. Big old flatty.
Nice.
He wasn't fighting at all at first. He was just hugging the bottom, just floating towards me.
On the popping cork, huh?
Yeah, he took my rope with him.
Oh, nice. Oh gosh, yeah, that is huge. Sweet. That's a great catch. I'm telling you what, they're all active right inside this channel. I thought you had a red there for a second when I heard the splash.
Yeah. The drag?
It took the drag?
Yeah. Yeah, once it got up to the kayak, it started feeling a little bit of drag, but I thought it was a flounder when I...
Yeah.
Still hit it.
What's y'all's names?
Josh Smith.
Josh?
I'm Dylan.
Dylan? Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, I've seen your YouTube videos and stuff.
I appreciate the
Good stuff, man.
That
support.
Causeway video is unreal.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was a crazy night. Well, good luck.
Yeah, you too, man. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, likewise. Take care. Likewise. That was a nice flatty for sure. Woo, 20 inches. Got some good fillets on that thing. Just try to post back up over here where I was just at, but go a little bit deeper in and get a little closer to them reds that are just destroying all that bait fish. Catch one more and then that's gonna be a day. I couldn't ask for a better time out in the water. I haven't had one of these days in a long time, and being that it's my birthday, the wife asked how long I was gonna stay out on the water. I am not gonna disappoint her and stay out here too long, just like one of those 8 to 12 hour days. No, not today. With the footage that I've got just about everything I need for an awesome video. Gosh, what a day. So I may as well end it right here. I appreciate the support that each and every one of you have shown me watching the videos, even though they, you know, have been subpar, at least to me. For my liking, they've been subpar. Catching tiny fish, I hear some of the comments, and trust me, I don't want to catch those things any more than you want to view me catching small fish. But I mean, I've got to post videos, and if that's all I've got, that's all I got. You know, I'm the everyday average fisherman, just like each and every one of you, and sometimes it's just not in the cards. But today, whoo, buddy, what an awesome day of fishing. So again, really appreciate the love and support that y'all show. If you like this video, click that thumbs up, and any comments, leave them down below. Until next time, tight lines, everyone. I'm gonna do is catch my last and final red off of the ultralight. They are aggressively feeding on fiddler crabs. Oh my gosh, what are the chances that I'm using a small ultralight crank that is the same color as these crabs? It's just meant to be. There's no other way to put it. There's a crab right there. There we go. We got him. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Here we go. You guys ready for a fight? Ultralight. This red probably doesn't even realize he's hooked yet. He's coming at me. Here we go. Nope, there he goes. Okay, there goes the head shakes. He knows he's hooked now. Oh, come on, Mr. Red. Oh, yes. Come here, baby. Come here. Come say hi to the camera. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. He's not as big as the others, but I'll take him. Oh my gosh, bruh. There we go. Get you to open wide for me. Whoa, 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 the violence. Can't get it out. There we go. We got it. Hold on, chill. I'm gonna put you right back as soon as we get a great look at you. This is one of the smaller ones right here. Beautiful redfish. Oh my gosh. Fine family fun, baby.